Hi guys, happy Monday. I just finished all of my weekend orders. I was really busy over the weekend. Thank you guys. And I've sold out a lot of my charms, which are back here kind of. I really need to clean up my office and I'm going to make some new stickers today. I redid one of my sticker packs because it was really old and outdated, so I'm going to show you guys me drawing that. And we are going to package tons of orders, restock bookmarks. We're going to do a bunch of stuff today, so let's do it. So I thought while I did some drawing today, I would go through and answer some of y'all's questions. I went through all the questions I had like on my YouTube comments and my Instagram posts, and I also put up a poll on Instagram, so I'm gonna answer some of them now. First question, what's one thing you wish you knew before you started your business? So many things. I wish that I knew how positive it would be because I was so scared to start for such a long time, and I wish I had started sooner. I was always so scared about like putting my art out there and what people's reactions would be, but don't be scared. If they like your stuff, they're gonna buy it, and if they don't like it, they're not gonna buy it, and if they don't buy it, then you're gonna make more stuff until they do buy it. That's the way I look at it. Another thing I wish I had known more about would be shipping. I literally knew nothing about shipping. I barely even like mailed regular letters before I started my shop, so I was like completely clueless. So it would have saved me a ton of money if I had known more about shipping, but we all have to learn as we go. But that's definitely something that I would research a little more than I did going in, and it would definitely save you tons of money in the long run. Next question. As a business owner, how did you get started, and did you have to invest in a lot of materials? So the first thing that I ever bought for my business to start it was my Cricut. I had already had like an older iPad. It was pretty old and really small and not the best DPI, but I used that for a while and it was really good for me back in the day. So if you're thinking about starting a sticker shop, I would definitely invest in a sticker cutter. I know a lot of people do them by hand, but if you want to do any type of bulk, you really have like no chance of doing them by hand if you want like a large scale kind of thing. So that would definitely be the first thing that I recommend saving for. The next question goes with this question, and it is, where do I order my sticker paper and what do I use? I've talked about this in other videos, but I use online labels, and I use both their weatherproof matte and their glossy. I think even if you're starting out, that's the most important thing you have to worry about is your materials, so I think it's definitely worth the investment. It's like a tiny bit on the pricier side, but it's definitely worth it. And also, they let you buy any amount you want, from 0 to 10,000, you can get whatever, so that's why I really like them. You don't have to worry about them running out or anything. I used to get sticker paper off of Amazon when I first started because it was a little cheaper, but it was always in the back of my mind that they might be out of stock, and it did happen a few times. So I would recommend going with someone like Online Labels or like a big company like that because they don't run out of paper and you don't have that in the back of your mind. Next is, what is your favorite part of having your own business? That's so hard. I love doing everything, but I think one of my favorite things would be when I make a design that I really like and then it sells really well and that means you guys really like it. That is like the best feeling to me ever. Next question is, what is the first sticker design that you have ever made? So I vividly remember sitting there one day just drawing on my iPad, and it was before I even made stickers, and I had this image of this pineapple cupcake just pop into my head, and I drew some other little cupcakes to go with it, and they just looked like stickers to me. So that honestly was what inspired me to even get the Cricut in the first place. Then I started to look on YouTube to see if other people made stickers, and then my whole world was opened and changed forever pretty much. I couldn't find the old picture of the pineapple, but I have one of the strawberries so you can see like how basic it used to be. It's so cute. And the last question is, what kind of music do you like to listen to when you're doing shop things? I listen to lots of stuff when I'm working. I like podcasts, music. I honestly mostly listen to podcasts, and I've been in a super let's play mood. I've been watching people on like Twitch as I work, so that's been fun. But lately when I listen to music, I usually just stick to some lo-fi, so it's kind of like calming and I can still focus and write things without getting too distracted. So I hope I answered most of everybody's questions. If I didn't answer it, I'm sorry, and comment below and I will answer it. So I've just packaged them up, and this is how they turned out. This is the old one in comparison. You know, I was thinking I might offer it in like this color still. I don't know, I really like the purple, but I might do like a rainbow version, so we'll see. I've also made these. I had a rainbow version of this also, and a lot of people requested like a darker, non-girlier version, so I tried to do that. And I also just made this little purple nug to go along with my green one. So I think I'm going to end the vlog here for the day because I haven't put this new stuff up yet, and I have a little bit more and I want to keep it a surprise. So I'm going to include the making of all the rest of the stuff in the next vlog so you guys can see it. Thank you so much if you watched all the way to the end. It means so much, and I hope you have a great day. Thank you.